Refer to the installation guide for all steps described in this video. The easy DIY Murphy bed cabinet lock mechanism was designed to be used with all our DIY Murphy beds. However, the locking mechanism will also work with other DIY Murphy beds in the market, provided the cabinet design is like our design. The cabinet lock will lock the bed frame from accidentally opening. This is ideal if you are concerned about your Murphy bed being opened by your kids. The cabinet lock will also work with other furniture setups as well, provided they function similar to our Murphy beds. To unlock the lock before opening the bed, simply pull the knob out as shown here. The lock mechanism comes in a clear plastic bag, with all required hardware and installation guide. Start by opening the packaging. The package will include the lock mechanism, 2 3/4-inch long wood screws, and a black plastic receiver cap. The cabinet lock can be installed on the left or right side of the bed cabinet. Before starting the installation, there's some important measurements we need to clear up. We recommend the lock be installed between 12 to 16 inches from the top of the bed cabinet. This distance can be changed if needed to accommodate various height requirements. The horizontal measurement is more important since the location of the lock must intersect the bed frame inside the cabinet. We recommend 2 to 5 inches V from the front of the cabinet. But if the side rails of your Murphy bed frame are more than 6 inches tall, you can alter this measurement slightly. As already explained, the location of the lock needs to intersect the inner bed frame, so the bed frame can be locked when closed. Step 1. Using painting tape can be helpful in marking the bed cabinet. Measure and mark the center location of the lock on the bed cabinet as shown here. Step 2. Make sure the bed is closed. Using a 1/8 inch diameter or similar pilot drill bit, drill through the bed cabinet all the way into the bed frame. You only need to drill a little into the inner bed frame to mark the center location. The pilot hole is now drilled. The pilot hole should also be on the bed frame as shown here. Step 3. Using a 3/4 inch Forstner drill bit or similar, drill all the way through the bed cabinet where the pilot hole was placed. Do not drill into the bed frame. Step 4. Grab the lock mechanism. Insert the lock's round body into the 3/4 inch hole. The lock can be positioned with the mounting holes in any direction. The lock's pin will slide in and out in the round cylinder. After you have positioned the lock in the desired position, drive 2 3/4 inch long wood screws into the mounting holes on the lock to secure it to the bed cabinet. Step 5. Make sure the lock's pin is pulled out. Open the bed so you can comfortably access the pilot hole done in step 2. Locate the pilot hole you previously drilled in the side rail of the bed frame. Using a 1/2 inch diameter Forstner drill bit, drill about 3/8 inch deep on the side rail. Drill a little more if needed. Insert the black plastic receiver cap into the 1/2 inch hole. You may have to lightly hammer it in. The receiver cap is now in place to accept the locking pin. Step 6. The locking mechanism is now installed and ready to use. Simply pull the knob to pull the pin out, to unlock the bed before you open the bed. To lock the bed frame, close the bed and push the knob all the way in. The bed is now locked in place. Enjoy your new locking mechanism and thank you for watching.